A humongous lemon and ricotta tart, piled high with plenty of brown sugar meringue. Our filling is really easy. I'm using the smooth ricotta because it just helps with the texture, especially in baking and cooking. 2 free-range eggs, whole eggs. I'm using almond essence, which I love with lemon ricotta. Some lemon juice, depends how tart you like it. I'm quite a tart myself. Add a little bit of lemon zest. Beautiful, fine, crisp, sweet pastry. Flour, icing sugar, some nice salted butter, and this just reminds me of making pastries and scones with my gran. Beaten egg and ice cold water, just let it all come together. Add a squeeze of lemon juice, and that just helps with the crispness of the pastry. Try and get it in the bowl, there we go. Wrap it in cling wrap, stick it in the fridge for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna roll it out and line our tart pan. So what I like to do is like prick the bottom a little bit with a fork, and then I'm gonna pop that into the oven at 180 for about 15 minutes. Doesn't have to go golden brown, because once the filling is in, I'm gonna cook it for another 15 minutes. Let me pour in our gorgeous filling. I'll get cracking with our meringue. I think our brown sugar meringue is done. Look at that. Now, kind of like bringing this to the table with all my friends and having this Italian dinner or feast, and then I blowtorch it at the table, and it's just all fun and quite theatrical. My humongous lemon and ricotta tart. I kid you not. All you need now is a little wine pairing. So I've got a nice ice cold traditional Italian prosecco, which is extra dry and will bring out that really lemon citrus flavor of the tart. And this little sweetie is a favorite. It's a Noble Late Harvest by Ken Forrester, who makes really delicious sweet wines. Chin chin to you. Follow Taste to see more of my recipes in my Italian series.